Hi, I wanted to drop in really quick and do this live on making your vendor list work for you. For anyone who has ever purchased or used a vendor list as a new business owner or a business owner who wants to increase your sales, it's important to know that when you get a vendor's list, you may feel overwhelmed at first because there is a lot of information you kind of have to on filtering through a lot of that information that is on the vendor document that you get. So, for those of you who do not know, I recently released my own vendor list so that people who are starting businesses or side hustles or who have already established businesses that want to increase their sales, you can look at the vendors list and identify ways to cut your costs. You want to make sure that you're getting the most competitive wholesale prices out there. Okay. So, one of the main ways to do that is to use a vendor's list. So, the number one thing that I encourage you to do as you are filtering through the vendors list is you want to first observe, look at the website. Okay. The website is up to date. Check out the reviews. All of that is something that you want to look at so that you can avoid any issues down the road. Secondly, as you are looking through the vendors list, find a way, if it's a digital document, find a way to highlight the vendors that you want to at least check out because they sell what you are looking for. Okay. So you'll have your primary vendors that you're looking at, secondary, and then third. Okay. So do like maybe green, yellow, red colors. Okay. So if you color code your vendor list, it will be easier to navigate. So, the third thing that I highly recommend that you do is you select a vendor list that offers some type of support or service. Okay. So, if you are able to reach out to the person who created the vendor list or the company who created the vendor list and ask questions if you have them, any of that is good. Okay. So, again, if you are not aware, I recently release my vendors list. I have it on sale. It's marked down. It's only $20, so that you can get your business the head start that it deserves. So a lot of times, as new business owners, we don't understand like how sourcing works fully, and people take advantage and they overcharge you for wholesale items. The vendors list that I released, I personally use those vendors with my businesses. I do to this day, and I have when I had a physical store location as well. So checking is already, accounted for. The process is already accounted for. And I did not include any vendors on that list that I did not have a good experience with. Okay, so you're getting a quality vendors list, and I hope it is helpful. Remember, if you purchase my vendors list, I am available to support you. Just send any inquiries through the website. The website is www.connieslist.biz. www.connieslist.biz. All right. If you have any questions, you can also put them in the chat section. Thank you for checking out this video. Have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. New video coming soon.